Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, and Merry Christmas Eve everybody. I've got little Newt here in the workshop helping me out. Are you helping out Daddy? Are you helping Daddy out today? Huh? And for our Christmas Eve video today, we are going to be doing, I think this will probably be the last one, because I've got 3 of these mini brand eggs, as you can see here, and we are going to fill the fridge. Oops, oh, everything's falling out. Let me put that back in. There we go. So we're going to finish off filling the fridge. I would like to get some eggs. That's my Christmas wish, is to get some eggs to go in there, because that would be nice to fill up this top row. But yeah, we've got lots of stuff in there. This is going to go in display in the other room when I finished it. Oh, and everything's falling out. That's the only thing about this. If you move it, everything does fall out. You've got to be very gentle. There we go. So, right, let's get you guys closer on this lovely Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve, everybody, if I haven't said that already. And let's open these 3 mini brands and let's see what we've got inside them. Okay, let's start with this one. Am I going to be lucky and get this all in one go? Doesn't seem like that. No. My Stanley knife. Let's get the rubbish bucket. So the dogs don't get it. Ooh, almost. Almost. Done. Right. Let's start with the first 3. First of 3. Okay, we've got another chocolate ice cream for the fridge magnet. This time in the Pizza Hut box, we have got chicken nuggets. I think that's new. I think. Another pizza box. Oh, with the garlic bread. That's new. I'm sure that's new. Let me put these open. Next is kombucha. I've got one of them. Another milk. I've got one of them. Natural Choice deli ham. Don't think I've got that. And fresh fish. I think I might have a fresh fish. Right, okay, so that's the first one. Let's move on to the next one. This one does not want to open. These are like Kinder eggs, big massive Kinder eggs. I loved Kinder eggs when I was a kid. Right, we've got a pizza slice. That's new in that one. That's a new one. Oats. That's new. Another Pizza Hut. Pepperoni. I think I might have that already. Another milk. Can't never have enough milk. pepperami. I think I may have a pepperami already. Lamb chops. I think I've got lamb chops as well. What is this? Oh, I haven't got this one. This is a Baskin Robbins ice cream cake in the shape of a... Let me open it up and twist it round. Of a unicorn. Definitely have not got one of them. I'm glad I got the birthday cake. That looks really cool. And finally, the third egg. Let's have a look. That's a lot quicker, isn't it? Okay, the thing that fell out first was pretzel fridge magnets. I haven't got one of them, so that's new. Is that milk? Oh no. Classic grape. I think that's new. Another fish. Hershey syrup. I've got one of them already. Eggplant. I think I've got an eggplant. Soft pretzels. I'm not sure if I have them. And another milk. So I had a bottle of milk in every single one. So there we go. So now we have all those items. Let me get my list and mark off what I've got. So birthday cake. Where's birthday cake? Right. Okay. So far I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So I don't have 31 of the items on the list, but I do have a lot of doubles, which will fill the fridge. I'm not fussed about people who sort of like put the doubles in the bin or whatever. So, right, let's get the fridge reorganized yet again. Okay, so let's get you in closer so you can see the details of it. There's moisture on my fridge. Oh no, it's sticky. There we go. So let's open the top part. Light comes on. There you can see the pizzas and the Pizza Hut stuff. IHOP, birthday cake, jelly, fruit, disastrous tiramisu, and all the vegetables. And then on the door, no eggs, but we got the pepperamis up there. Pop, kombucha, lots of milk, oats, lots of Hershey's, 3 Hershey's, water. I think that kind of, apart from the Hershey's, I can't understand why people would have like 3 bottles of Hershey's in there, but that looks really good. Oh, and if I can open this drawer without tipping the whole lot over, now we can see everything in there. Nope, apart from the kombucha. Let's see if we can turn that. There we go. Now let's have a look in the freezer. We got stuff in that drawer. Just a scoop in there, no ice. Stuff in that drawer. Lamb chops, ice cream, frozen veg, and in there as well. Lamb chops, pretzels in the freezer. So there we go. I've seen the mini brand stuff before, but it was only when I saw fill the fridge, I was like, oh, that's definitely something that that I would like, apart from the things falling over. But there we go, we've seen it. I'll do it again for a photograph at the end. But there we go, guys. Absolutely love it. That's it. That is my fridge filled for me. I'm going to put this in display in the living room because I think it's really cute. And there we go, guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you, and have a Merry Christmas tomorrow as well. Bye, y'all.